Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent World Podcast. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you who are observing this beautiful month.
Today, we are talking about fasting in Ramadan, and we'll help you learn natural, real-life English phrases that you can actually use in daily conversations.
So sit comfortably, relax, and let's begin.
Emily, are you fasting today?
Yes, I am fasting today. I started my fast before sunrise.
That's great. A simple sentence you can use is, I am fasting today.
Or you can say, I'm observing Ramadan this year.
Now, everyone, repeat after me. I am fasting today.
Very good. Now say, I started my fast before sunrise.
Here's another useful question. How long have you been fasting?
You can answer, I've been fasting for many years. Or, I've been fasting since I was a teenager.
If you're enjoying this episode, please like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Fluent World Podcast for more real-life English practice.
Paul, how do you feel when you fast?
Sometimes I feel a little tired in the afternoon, but I also feel peaceful and focused.
Great words. Tired, peaceful, focused.
You can say, I feel a bit tired, but I'm managing well.
Or, fasting makes me feel more patient.
Let's repeat together. Fasting makes me feel more patient.
Now tell us in the comments, how do you feel when you fast?
Many people work or study during Ramadan. Emily, how do you stay productive?
I try to manage my time wisely, and I do important tasks in the morning.
That's a great sentence. I try to manage my time wisely.
You can also say, I take short breaks to save my energy.
Another helpful phrase is, I avoid heavy activities during the day.
Repeat after us. I avoid heavy activities during the day.
If you are a student, you can say, I study after Iftar when I feel more energetic.
Now let's talk about the best part, Iftar.
A simple sentence, I usually break my fast with dates and water.
Or, we have Iftar together as a family.
That sounds warm and beautiful.
Here's another phrase. I look forward to Iftar every day.
Repeat, I look forward to Iftar every day.
Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite Iftar meal?
Ramadan is not only about food, it's also about spiritual growth.
You can say, Ramadan helps me improve myself.
Or, I try to pray more during Ramadan.
A powerful sentence is, fasting teaches me gratitude.
Repeat with confidence. Fasting teaches me gratitude. Emily, are you fasting today?
Yes, I am. I feel a little tired, but I'm happy.
What time did you wake up for suhoor?
I woke up at 4:15 a.m.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs, bread, and drank plenty of water.
Great! Now, listeners, try answering these questions out loud. Practice speaking. Practice every day. Today, we practiced how to talk about fasting in Ramadan in simple and natural English.
If this episode helped you, please like this video.
And subscribe to Fluent World Podcast so you never miss an episode.
We post practical English conversations regularly.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, what does Ramadan mean to you?
We love reading your answers.
Thank you so much for listening.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum, and see you in the next episode of Fluent World Podcast.